In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for a small business. This is a great way to save time and improve different parts of your business. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt based on the business task I want help with. For example, I might type, "Create a marketing plan for a small coffee shop." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a detailed response, such as a marketing plan, ideas, or strategies. I can also use Claude AI for other tasks like writing emails, creating social media posts, generating product descriptions, or planning content. For example, I might type, "Write a promotional post for a new product launch." Claude can also help with customer support replies, business planning, and organizing workflows. If I need more specific results, I can refine my prompt or ask follow-up questions. Once the content is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in my business operations. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to support a small business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.